welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be cleaning my room. Now, I thought I'd take you guys along with me and just a few million disclaimers before we start. One, I filmed last night, so already my room was a mess. And I decided I wasn't going to clean it because I was filming this video the next day. So it's a little bit more messy than it was before. Also, my sister is currently redoing her house. And so if you see some things and you're like, sis, just hold a minute. They're renovating the house and my room's going to be repainted. So mind your business. I have a couple of things that I want to do. You can't really see it. Let me see if I can angle it up. I got these strip lights up here and I didn't put on the other half of them because I was too lazy to do that. But I still have to put those up. I have some clothes to put away. I have a lot of things that I need to organize. So all my stuff is just kind of all over the place. So you guys are going to come along with me and clean. So let's get right into it. What vibe are we feeling? And yes, I got my strip lights on and it's daytime. Mind your business. All right. So right now I got them as blue. I could do purple. Oh, that's a nice one. Yellow. That's yellow? That's not yellow. That's yellow? Does that not look green to y'all? I don't even know where to start because everything is everywhere. I think I'm going to start with the clothes because that's the biggest part. Right, so right here. Oh, listen, we're cleaning it, so it doesn't even matter. So it's looking crazy. And then over here, I still have all my stuff from, let's move this light. I still have all my stuff from Christmas and my birthday still in their bags. So, we got to get rid of those. All right, so y'all see how naked it is over here, but the strip lights go right here they start on this side where my bed is, and they end right behind the TV. I just have to do this other pot. That's why this ladder is here. Oh, look at my swag, guy. Wait. Isn't it cute? All right, so I'm about to dump all my clothes on the bed that I made before I started because, listen, my room may be a mess, but my bed is made, all right?
Nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage.
I gotta sort through some of this stuff. This box right here, this is my hair box. My hair products, all that stuff. Here is just like a random box of papers from last semester. And I don't even know what these two are. All right, that's a lot better, y'all closer. But let's move this way. So I still have to, even in this box right here, look at this, clothes. You know when it seems like you have a lot of clothes, but you really don't. All right, you see these clothes on the bed? I got another thing full of clothes. So, and a bag. Hello.
I'ma hit the gas. 12 can't pull me over. 12 space, Weibo, Yoda, pouring, drinking sodas. I get high on my own, sir. Heard you gon' come, sir. Stop all that blessing, young nigga don't wanna go there. Never been the gopher, but I always been the soldier. Young niggas in the cut, posted like a vulture. Diving off the stage in the crowd, it's a mosh pit. Yeah, shawty bad, but she broken, she don't own shit. Mama asked me, son, when the trapping gon' quit. I been riding around through the city in my new bitch. Young nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage. Hey, whoa, chemo, stop it, chopper, aiming at your noggin. Hey, had to cut the addict, then the top, I had to chop it. Niggas pocket watching, so I gotta keep the rocket. Mama told me not to sell word. Mama 17, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. Mama 17, same color t-shirt.
the way I folded them. So fold them smaller so that they can all fit.
Nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage. Hey. Whoa, chemo, sabe, chopper, aiming at your noggin. Hey. Had to cut the audit, then the top, I had to chop it. Niggas pocket watching, so I gotta keep the rocket. Mama told me not to sell word. Mama 17, 5, same color t-shirt.
Oh, this one is still empty. I think I want to organize my hair box and whatever's in this box right here. So we're going to go ahead and do that.
17, 5, same color t-shirt.
Alright, so I cleared out the basket and I put everything in. But here's the tea. I got to put y'all on about Miss Pattern Beauty. I thought my hair was loving this leave-in conditioner, but apparently she is not. So I washed my hair and I put this leave-in, this one, oh, excuse me. I put this leave-in in and it felt completely different than when I put this one in. I gave this one another chance because I was like, okay, maybe I just need to wash my hair, like I said. So I did give it another chance and it felt that like way that I didn't like for my hair versus this one. So I said, I'm just gonna have to give sis up. All right, so I have this pink shower cap and I just decided to put all my scarves and my bonnets in here. Look how cute that is. It fits perfectly too. So I also forgot I have my like combs and my clips. So yo, I found my bonnet. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, look. Yes. Yo, I couldn't wait to get that wig off my head. Hey y'all, so just a little update. I finished organizing up here. So this is just like skin. That's my facial steamer. The hair box. I finished basically put together an Amazon order for return. This is a charging box. Where you could just like plug everything in. So convenient. Alright, so the last few things that I have to get done are to clear those bags over there. So we are about to go over there. And then I have to put up my lights. Well, the other half of my lights. And sweep my room. So 3 more things to do. And then we will be... Oh, I also have to clear out my makeup bag and clean it out. So I'm sick of them being down here. You probably saw in the last clip, but most of my stuff is now on top of my dresser, which I don't mind. It was empty before, but I really don't mind it being up there rather than it being on the floor and just in my way. I'd rather it be up there because it's organized and I know where everything is. So if I need anything, I can just go straight to it. But since it is cleaning, I switched up a few things. I decided to leave that blue bag you saw and the bag that was like in the back on the floor. And my black bag is over here because my suitcase is too stuffed. And my hair box, do you see that? Completely full. Nothing. Over there's laundry. And I just have like a couple of dishes to bring down. And right now I'm going to go clean my makeup bag and the bag with all the purple wax all over all my products and take the garbage downstairs. And then all I have left to do is to sweep and to put up the rest of my lights. Just got back from cleaning my makeup brushes and the purple stuff. You see all there. My brushes are laid out on some paper towel, and then the brushes and the hair products that got covered by the wax are also washed and laid out right there.
Mama told me not to sell word. Mama 17, 5, same color t-shirt. Yeah. Mama told me not to sell word. Mama told you 17, 5, same color t-shirt. White 1995, 2005. Seen it with my eyes. Dope still alive. Real mob ties. Real frog eyes. Real whole pies. All time high. Do it for the culture. They gon' bite like vultures. Way back when I was trapping, not Toyota. I'ma hit the gas. 12 can't pull me over. 12 space. Quavo, Yoda, pouring, drinking sodas. I get high on my own, sir. Heard you gon' come, sir. Stop all that blessing. Young nigga don't wanna go there. Never been the gopher, but I always been the soldier. Young niggas in the cut, posted like a vulture.
So I'm gonna keep this on while I film until I haven't turned it on yet with the full lights. I want to do a big reveal. The whole floor is swept. Everything over here, I just have like my mugs and my pitcher of water and that like room scent thingy. But over here, cleared. I left those here because I have no other place to put it. I can probably put it in the closet. Everything here is cleared and the room is clean. I feel amazing. So long. But I'm gonna turn this light off and we're gonna do a big reveal. Okay, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Oh my gosh, oh, you're kissing me. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Ooh, what color are we feeling? What color? Let's do the hot pink one I was telling y'all about. Ooh, stop. Oh my gosh. This looks so good. I'm going to put a flash warning because I'm going to click flash. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. All right, I'm going to keep it on the white one. And I'm going to turn this light on because low quality. Perfect. All right, y'all, I am done with my room cleaning, organizing, putting my lights up. That's pretty much it. I had a lot of fun today. Besides the sweating, the hotness, the dust. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and coming with me to clean my room and organize and get rid of stuff. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. For more videos like this, let me know if you like videos like this and you want to see more from me, like a clean with me, organize, yada yada. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Bye.
If we comparing, where the smoke I know